All right, here's a really quick tutorial on how to create your infographic this week. First of all, what is an infographic and why are we creating one? An infographic is a picture of information. It is a way to give your reader as much information as possible with as little reading or full sentences as possible. So you want to pack as much information in as visually appealing as you can to get a point across, to get a topic or an idea across, kind of like a poster. But it tends to be very specific in what information you are getting across. And so the reason we're creating this week is, one, to show you that there's different options besides just PowerPoint. You might have some classes at HBU that require you to create PowerPoints or to create a outside of Blackboard presentation. And so this is a great way to use that. You might even be asked to create an infographic in a later course or be given that option. So we want to make sure that you're able to work with programs outside of Blackboard and outside of Microsoft Office tools, and then be able to upload those to Blackboard. So that's why we're doing that. So to get started, you want to go to canva.com and you'll be asked to log in. If you don't have an account already, you'll come over here to this blue sign up button, click that, and it'll bring you to this page that we're on right now. If you have a Google or Facebook account, it's a really easy way to just go ahead and quickly sign up. If not, go ahead and enter your email information in there and then log in that way. I already have an account with Google, so I'll just click that very quickly and get started with that. So it'll take me to the Canva homepage where I'll see all kinds of different options and designs. I can create posters or presentations, but I specifically want to create an infographic for this assignment, so I'll choose that option. You're also able to choose from these items over here on the left, but this is just a quick and easy way to get to what you need. So infographic, click on that, and it provides you with a blank canvas. There is a blank canvas option that you can use. You can create your own from scratch using photos, and they have stock photos provided for you, the elements, text, backgrounds, all of those different things. So you could create your own here from scratch if you want. Or what I would suggest is to go to templates over here on the left hand panel and select a template that they already have created. The educational ones are great. You might even want to just scroll down and see, like here's a processes one, and see if you can find one that has 5 points already on it. So for example, this one, because you have to choose 5 options this week for your support services, you might want to go ahead and just choose one that has something like this, or get really creative. It's up to you. Once you've chosen your template or create your template, you can highlight different areas, select the areas that you don't want to keep, and delete those areas, and then add your own information. Be sure you delete the old information before inputting your information, otherwise it won't make any sense. You also have the option, and I would highly suggest adding different elements into your infographic. You can resize them. So if you place them on the infographic, place them anywhere, and then you can resize them like this. You can move them around. That's obviously too big. You don't want to cover up your information, but you get the idea. You can resize and place the images wherever you want. So you can do that with elements or photos. Just have fun and make it visually appealing. If you ever make a mistake and you don't like what you did, don't worry. There's this wonderful button up here on the top left. That's the undo button. Make sure you are familiar with that. You also have all kinds of different tools here on the top. And then once your infographic is complete and you think it looks beautiful and it has all the information you need, you've double checked it for spelling and accuracy and grammar, you'll want to share that. So there's a couple different ways that you can do that to be sure that you upload it to Blackboard correctly. You can select the share button up here at the top. You can email it to yourself. Please do not email this to me. I need it to be uploaded to Blackboard in order to grade it. So you can email it to yourself for download or just to save and have for yourself. You can email it to somebody else to ask them to do that, whatever you need to do. Or a really simple, fast way is to copy the link. So you click this copy the link. Now it's copied and saved to your computer, so you can just hit Control V, which is pasting, once you get to Blackboard, and put that in the text box, and I should be able to access it. Another way you can save it is to download it. Please do not change this file type. It's perfect as it is. Simply hit download. It will download to your computer where you can then save it. Be sure that you do save it to a file on your computer and then upload it to Blackboard. So that's a very quick tutorial on how to complete your assignment this week. I hope you have fun and good luck.